So is the ATM business really passive income? When you start an ATM business, is that really considered passive income? Hey guys, my name is Carey Buck and I am the creator of ATM Business Blueprint, ATM Mobile Mastery, and the new automated wealth training and elite automated wealth training programs. So I want to talk about this idea of passive income when it comes to the ATM business, right? So the official meaning of passive income when it comes to the IRS and doing your taxes and that kind of stuff, no, the ATM business is not considered passive income, okay? When dealing with your taxes and the IRS, right? It's not. By the way, all tax questions when related to the ATM business or any business, go see your CPA about it, all right? See your CPA about it, certified public accountant or any tax professional, all right? Don't just listen to some Tom, Dick, or Harry, or Jane online, all right? But when you use a definition of passive income that I use, totally, I think the ATM business, yes, is 100% passive income. So what is the definition of passive income that I use? Okay, I use this definition. Passive income is an income received on a regular basis with little to no effort required to maintain it. Okay, so the little effort required to maintain it is what I consider the ATM business. All right, so I used to work a job. I used to work 40, 50, 60 hours a week. It sucked working for somebody else. Now I literally work one day to fill my ATM machines, right? 8 hours or less. Okay, and that's just for my permanent placement machines, the machines that I have in locations in local businesses, right? I may be able to put a little bit more effort in when I'm doing mobile events, but still, it's just a little bit of effort because I just set the ATM up, then I roll out. When the event's over, I come back, get the ATM. So it's still a little bit of effort. So when you compare it to working 40, 50, 60, 70 hours a week, yeah, it's totally passive income, guys. It is totally passive income. You know, sometimes people want to get into semantics and say, that's not passive income, you got to do something. Oh, okay, then don't do it. Keep working a 40, 50, 60, 70 hour a week job. I'm not going to argue about it because I don't give a shit, right? I make passive income, okay? I sleep, I make money. I'm here talking to you, I'm making money, right? I get a shower, I'm making money. It doesn't matter what I'm doing, I'm making money because my ATMs are making money for me. That, my friends, is passive income. So don't argue with me about passive income because I don't care what your argument is, okay? And you listening to this right now, if someone is trying to argue with you about passive income, saying that's not really passive income, just shut them off. Don't even listen to them. Because chances are they're probably working 40, 50, 60, 70 hours a week at a job that they hate. And they're just wanting you to not be able to pursue your dreams, okay? Just mute them. I'm not saying cut them out of your life, you know, sometimes they're family members, right? But just mute them, like put them on mute so you get them out of your mind and you do you. Go get you some passive income. Yes, the ATM business is passive income. When you go off of the definition of passive income is an income received on a regular basis. Hello, every single month. Hello, every single day. Hello, every single weekend. With little to no effort required to maintain it. I promise you, you can make a full-time income, what you're making at a job, or more, what you're making at your current investments, or more, without working full-time hours in the ATM business. And that, to me, is passive income. And if somebody wants to argue with me about it, I don't care. It doesn't matter. It doesn't affect my life. It doesn't affect my income. I don't care. They can argue till they're blue in the face. But what I do know is they're never going to have passive income from ATMs, right? So listen, guys, I hope that made sense. If you have any questions about this, if it's confusing, if somebody is like kind of giving you shit about it, just post your question below. I'll answer it. Don't argue with me about passive income, though. I'm not going to argue with you about it. I'm just going to keep making passive income, all right? Don't forget to click the little ATM right there and subscribe to this channel. Please like this video. Share it if you feel so. If you feel like you want to, okay. If you feel so inclined. Have any questions? Again, post them below, and I'm gonna post a video right up here or maybe it'll be here. I'm not sure where it'll be at, but it'll be up here where you can spend the day with me, right? And spend the day with me and learn about, what an ATM business owner goes through every day. And then wherever it's not, there's going to be another video up there where you can learn how to start an ATM business in 6-ish steps. All right, guys, again, don't forget to click that ATM right there and subscribe to this channel. You have a great day. And one more thing, 2 more things. I'm lying already to you. I'm sorry, guys. 2 more things. If you want to get my free ATM business roadmap, which, by the way, has been out since 2011, go to atmbusinessblueprint.com. There'll be a link below in the comments section, or the description section, I'm sorry. So go to atmbusinessblueprint.com, get my free ATM business roadmap. It kind of lays out for you how I came to have a $3,000 to $5,000 plus per month permanent placement ATM business, okay? Also, I'm inviting you to join my free Facebook group. It's called Cash Flow Hackers. Cashflowhackers.com is how you get there. Again, link will be in the description. And within that group is where we talk about how to make easy passive income. And yes, the passive income, kind of income I just described in this video. All right, guys, listen, I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day, and may you live happily off of passive income.